Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to use Midjourney to your own private server. So let's begin. So here we are in Midjourney, and the first thing that we would need to do is simply add a server. We're going to create our sample server right here for our examples. I create my own and for me and my friends. Now we're going to go sample server right there and click on create. And once it's done, we have now the server right here. So what we're gonna do is go back into the Midjourney server, Discord server, and from here we're gonna find the Midjourney bot right here at the right side. As you can see, we have the Midjourney bot right here, or you could also just find it here in the chat. So you wanna click on the Midjourney bot, and from here you can click here on add to server right here. And you simply want to select the server that you want to add it to. So for our example, it would be in the sample server that we have just created. So here it is. So click on it and continue. And you want to authorize that. And then you were going to go and finish a CAPTCHA first and allow access for this one. And as you can see, success, Midjourney bot has been authorized and added to your server. And now we're going to go into the sample server, and we can see that we have the Midjourney bot right here now in our server. And that is how easy it is. You can do this to any channel that you want, that you have access to. So now let's try and using commands. So as you can see here, when I type / I have the commands for Midjourney. And from here, we're just maybe going to go type in imagine, and we're going to try if we have some credits left. So Hope Red with Hope Red anime style. Just like that. It's very simple, and just for this example. But as you can see, I don't have any subscription right here, so you would really need to subscribe to Midjourney if you want to avail their services right here. And yeah, that is basically how you can use Midjourney in your own private channel. So I hope this video helped you out.
If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to be updated on our new uploads. See you soon.